Today I'm gonna be using these flowers. I have astromelias, white astromelia, pinkish lavender stalk, white and green hydrangeas, hot pink roses. This is gorgeous. I have a lavender delphinium. Probably I'm gonna use some carnations that I have here. I totally forgot to put on the table. These are beautiful as well. I have another mini carnations over here as a filler. Probably, I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna use the Italian ruscus. No, sorry, this is not Italian ruscus. This is the Hebrew ruscus, and also I have the lily grass. These are short, but it doesn't matter. All depends how it's gonna put in the vase. So I'm gonna start working with that, and I will show you the vase as well right now. Beside me, I just organized the flowers and the order that I think I'm gonna be using. At the end, I left the fillers and the lily grass at the beginning. I'm gonna start working with the biggest flowers. But at first, what I have to do is put on the base the greenery, because the greenery is gonna be my resource to take the flowers, to keep the flowers in position that I want. So it's gonna be one of the resources. So we'll be using this, even though it doesn't mean that they're not gonna be moving around, but at least they're gonna help you a little bit. The vase already has water, so there is nothing else to do more than start working with that. Let me see, one more. Yeah, I think that's gonna be enough. I always try to work with the number 3 of each flowers, or 3 different lengths, because that is gonna help me the design. Okay, that way. Now, after I put these flowers, everything is gonna start moving. Do not get crazy because of that. You still have time to accommodate the flower. Well, it didn't move. Well, not now. Maybe a few minutes ago. So I have 2 of these. I don't want to use 3 because I just want to show or define the lines of this arrangement. I have 3 stalks. Let me put one over there. Little by little, it's gonna start be more complicated. It's gonna become more complicated to put the flowers in the vase because of the leaf.